Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to redeem now. Sign into the Microsoft account that will own the Game Pass. Once signed in, open the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app on Windows. Make sure your PC meets basic requirements and that updates are installed. This avoids install errors later. Keep the 25-character code visible because you'll enter it exactly as shown. Now click your profile, select Redeem Code or go to Account, Microsoft.com, and prepare to type the code in carefully, including dashes. Once you've opened Redeem, type the 25-character code and confirm. You'll see which Microsoft account will be charged or credited. Double-check it because redemptions are final. After redemption, open the Xbox app and sign in with that same account. This links the subscription to your PC. Make sure the Xbox app shows Game Pass benefits, then browse the Game Pass library and queue a download. If a game requires the Microsoft Store, the app will hand off and start the install automatically. After you click Install, let the Xbox app and Microsoft Store manage files. Large games may take time, so monitor progress. Once installed, launch the game from the Xbox app. If it prompts for ownership, confirm you're signed in with the redeeming account. Make sure subscriptions show active under Profile, then Subscriptions. If the game won't launch or the code didn't register, try signing out and back in, clearing the store cache with WS Reset, checking region settings, and confirming the code wasn't already used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.